So starting with my first idea in grassroots level innovation, one problem I have generally faced, that is whenever I am using this phone, I never use it like this, which is at this angle or at this angle, and it is common for many people. Every person uses his phone at this angle, which is at about 45 degrees from the vertical. So nowadays a phone holder will be great. Now phone holders in the market like Amazon cost around 200 to 300 rupees. So I got an innovation which can solve this problem. Just using one box, I have made a phone holder that not only holds a phone, it also holds my wallet. On top of that, now when I'm making this video, for example, I play a video on this phone. Any random video, the sound comes from here and it gets distributed in all angles. So I am sitting here and I want the sound to come here where it gets distributed everywhere. Instead of that, if I have something that just makes the sound come towards me, it would be much better. Something like this, which prevents the sound from going back, so the intensity of sound is almost doubled. So I have found a device, I have made a device which I'm going to make it again in front of you, that will solve both of these problems. So recently my father came from Hyderabad through a trip, for some business trip, and he got this. So now this is in my house from around 15 days and this is actually useless for now. But see how I'm using this. These two parts can be connected this way. This part can be connected here, like this. And when I connect this with this Fevicol, it almost becomes like a phone holder. So here I start. Just applying some Fevicol here. So applying some Fevicol here. And then I will simply connect this open side with this open side like this. Now let this harden for about 2 minutes and then we will see. Once this gets hardened, let me clarify that I'm going to place my phone here so that the sound also increases and it also becomes a phone holder. So just waiting for 2 minutes for this to dry up. Now you can see it has started drying up. You can see the Fevikwik here. So just waiting for 2 minutes. Now as it has dried, you can clearly see I can place my phone on this side, and I can place my wallet inside this here, and it perfectly fits. Here you can see how perfectly it has fit. It is so tight that even if I rotate it, it doesn't fall off. And here I keep my phone. So now it has become very comfortable for me to watch any video this way. I can simply use my phone this way. Here it is. So here I conclude my idea. Okay, so the second benefit, it will be clear. It is just a simple principle of physics. So if you direct a sound towards yourself, you will hear more. The intensity increases simply. So this part you can see. Wait. This part, when I place my phone here this way, this part will prevent sound from going behind and it will push sound forwards towards you. Or when I watch the video this way, it will push the sound towards me. So the sound intensity increased. The first advantage. Second advantage, that I just get a free phone and wallet holder just by using a box. That's all. Thank you. So here I conclude my first grassroots level innovation. can also use this to make videos. So currently, if you see, I'm using this holder, and now I'm going to use my holder here. Perfect for making videos. Here is the market phone holder, and here is my phone holder. It also holds a wallet here. Now what have we finally got? We not only got a better phone holder which increases the sound intensity. This cannot increase the sound intensity as a phone holder. This costed me 200 rupees, and this was just a junk box which was going to be thrown away. So I used something which was crap, built a better phone holder that also increases the sound intensity. Here, have a look. This one is any day better. Now if I paint this, it will look more fashionable. So this is any day better than this. Made with no money, just Fevicol and junk. This was my first grassroots level innovation.